Hello everyone, welcome to ICHARS. This is a very important video because I'm making an announcement which goes a long way in helping us help our participants develop advanced practitioner skills. So while our courses are already probably the most comprehensive course in the world on developing coaching and therapeutic skills, we understand that attending a workshop once may not be enough, and that you may want to go through certain topics again so that you can master them better. And at times, attending the same workshop with a new audience, with a new group, can also help you get the taste of working with different types of people. So while you can already join us for weekly practice sessions and practice with your participants and with your colleagues and develop advanced practitioner skills, you also have access to the post-level online modules, which basically act as a ready reckoner for you to be able to go through any technique that you have covered in your workshops. We are now going a step forward. We are now allowing all our students to pay once and attend our live sessions twice, which means if you've enrolled for or attended level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, or even the anxiety course and the relationship course or the social anxiety course or any other live instructor-led programs that we conduct now or in future, you will have the opportunity to attend the same workshop again without paying any prices or any cost. You get this opportunity because we would like you to be able to experience the same workshop with different trainers and different people again. Remember that when you go through these programs, you have to attend these programs for all the days. So it's important that you're not joining only for 1 day or 2 days, you're joining for the entire program. Also, if you ever want to repeat the same workshop again, after you've repeated the workshop once for free, then you can attend the workshop by paying a nominal charge of 500 rupees per day multiplied by the number of days of the workshop, which means you pay once, attend twice for free, and then you can attend subsequent times at a highly subsidized cost. Now, in order to inform us that you would like to join us for a repeat batch for free, in the student section, you will notice in the things to do area, a new column with the title repeat a workshop for free. Whatever workshops you have attended with us, a schedule for those workshops will be listed in this section with a link stating click here to confirm. Now let's say you want to join for this particular level again with us. All you need to do is click this link. You'll be taken to a page in the same section where it will ask you for your confirmation. Click submit, and as you click submit, you will be taken to this message which tells you that your confirmation has been sent to us. Someone from ICHARS team in the next 24 to 48 hours will add you to the relevant group where on WhatsApp, where you will get the links to join the live session. We really want you to benefit from our courses and make the best use of it so that you can create transformations in your lives and the lives of your clients. If you have any questions, please feel free to get in touch with us.